Sends one to left center field. Leon is here to make the catch on the first pitch. Grounded jump. Tap. Yamamoto's 1-2. Is rolled to the right side. Pitch. Parks in the majors. The 2. Here comes the 3-1 pitch. Ohtani scorches it. This payoff. Ball full. Pitch and pounds it to right field. It's down and all the way to the wall. Come home to score easily. A stop sign for Betts. RBI double to scoring in San Francisco. The 8th pitch. High fly ball to Miguel Rojas. Finds the seats. That's your lead. And you can win $100,000. Astros win deep to make it 2. Majors. In the series, coming off the bench, taking the play. He's got the speed to match. Swings over the 0-2 pitch. Kirsten.
A day. That is what we're doing.
Another 1-2. Foul ball. Fights it back for the Eagles. First than luck. Got him swinging. Sentiment that Major League Baseball is in a much healthier
play. Nicely done.
Fastball out in the 7th. San Francisco. Lead to right field. That's down for a hit. He's hunting second base and off, and he slides in safely with a 2-out double. Called strike.
Mix.
In the dirt ball. This center. Plate appearance. 0-1. There, left center field. Alvin on the run. He's at the wall. Gone. Now Jung-Hoo Lee. Left on left. Extras. A 1-1 to lead. On a 2-1. Lee. Rolls the hands. Brilliant. Scott's payoff. Smith, ball 4. Winning run on base for San Francisco.
That ball was 101 off that phenomenal.
This is up. Back at Pajes. Comes home to Kim. Now the 2-1. A 3-1 to Kim. Payoff. Poke to the right side. Schmidt on the backhand. Throws it across his body. Lead to the right center field. This ball sink up. Alvin scores and the Dodgers hop. 2. Chopper to the right side. Flores on the backhand. Gives it to Bibbins. Onto it. Ohtani scores to Pajes. Right field. That'll drop for a base hit. Freddie Freeman's going to wheel. Make it 5-2. Flores. Fly ball.